Hi guys, welcome back to another section. Um, so this video is going to be very much straightforward, very short video. I'm just going to show you how to use Terraform to create the EC2 and install Docker on that EC2 using a Terraform, like I say, on AWS. So it's going to be really short. So the first thing first we need to do here is clone the code. So I already built the code for you, so you don't have to do anything about that. I'm just going to take a few minutes to explain you how the code works. But so we just need to go and fish your own code from my GitHub. So I'm going to give you the link in the description box. So okay, let's get started, right? And so to start, let's make the directory. One directory, we can call the directory maybe like docker, let's say, docker dash lab dash terraform, right? So let's just call a random name like this, and then cd to that directory, docker that lab, okay, enter. So we are there. And then so the next thing, so I'm gonna create another directory, right, just to get organized very well my stuff here. So I'm gonna create another directory called docker, right? Docker, enter, and then cd to docker, okay, enter. So okay, from here now I'm gonna clone the code from GitHub. So you guys, if you don't have a GitHub account or repository, you need to create one, right? It's very straightforward. So, and yeah, I'm gonna make another short video later to show you how to create a GitHub account, create a repository and stuff like that. So okay, let's now clone the code from GitHub. Okay, we're gonna do git clone. Let me go get the link. The link gonna be somewhere here. Where's the link? Okay, I'm thinking this is the link. Okay, Terraform. Yeah, it's a link. And then let's paste here. Okay, and then enter. So it's cloning. Okay, it's done. Pretty much fast. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cd to we're gonna ls first. Let's ls list the content of that directory. We see docker terraform, so we can cd to that directory, docker enter. Okay, so ls to list to see. Okay, we got three files, right? We got install dash ch this the first file, right? Install dash ch is bootstrap. So what does that mean? It's just the data user we develop just to help Terraform to install all the resources we need during the deployment. So is in this file, that's where we gonna define the installation of Docker, right? I'm gonna show you that later. And then we have our main.tf, which is the Terraform configuration file. And then we got our readme. Readme is pretty much where we say, okay, this application is just to do this, blah, 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 install Docker, blah, 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 install. So it's pretty much describe what we're trying to do with the code. Okay, so we're good here. Okay, the next step we're gonna do here is what? Let's just open the code, right, and see what we have inside the code. main.tf. We're gonna say code main.tf to open the code. Okay, enter. Okay, so take some time. Just be patient. All right, there you go. We got everything here. Okay, so let's start. First thing here, so we got everything defined here, the provider, the resources, everything. So let's start with the provider. The provider is AWS, obviously, right? We define it. And then where our resources is gonna be created. It's gonna be created in the US East 1 region. So we go to here, that's a provider, configure the provider, and then the VPC. So this is the VPC defined here. So, and then we got the security group, very important. That's a very important part, right? So the ingress is open. The part we open here is 8,000, right? So that's mean Docker gonna be missing on this part, right? The part that is open with the Docker. So this security group, we create that part with Docker that already installed, and the code gonna auto opens port 8,000 to the port 8,100. This one. All right. So that's basically what's gonna happen here. And then the protocol here is TPC, right? So it's the CD block is open everywhere. So that's ingress, right? So we also have the HSS here, open on port 22, and then the egress is from everywhere. You got a tag here. You can put any name you want for the tag name, and that's it. And then we have here the